Yes, the company has sent me, this is a tire inflator and it's a jump starter. Plus, it's got a light on the side, which in the evenings, if it's late and everything, you have tire trouble or car trouble, that light really does help. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to double check my tire pressure and hook this up. Let's put some air in this thing. Now, right on the side right here, it's got a threaded hole. And that's what this is right here. You have to take this right here and thread it on, get it all the way. And that's it. And then uh, you can, take your valve stem cover off and latch that on there. And what you do is you turn it on. There we go. Now it's got the digital on it. Now one thing that I will show, the plus and minus, you want to see if it goes on a car, a bicycle, motorcycle, or just a small tube of some sort. And I've got it put on the car or pickup, whatever. And I have it set, right now it is sitting on 32 pounds and I want 38 pounds. So 37, 38 pounds is what I want. I've got it set right there at 38 pounds. I'm going to turn it on. That gets it going. Yes, as we can see, it's at 37 pounds right now. We're supposed to go up to 38 pounds. And once it starts, it gets up to 38 pounds, all the way, there you go. It shuts off automatically. I've got exactly what I want in there. All I had to do was set it. Is that not handy? That's super nice to be able to do that. So that's it. You can adjust the whatever you need for that right there. Now we'll show you right here. There's a light on the end. That's what this right here button right there. You turn that light on button and you have a light here on the end. You turn it off. There's flashers. And you just hold it and it goes off. Now, this also is a jump starter. Now I'm going to take off this right here because I don't need this right now. And the jump starter, I won't show you, but I will show you how it works. Now over here, right here on the end, you have a little rubber cap. And you pull that back and plug these in. And there's only one way it can go, the way that it's hooked up. So you're not going to get it backwards. It's got a square hook deal on one side and round on the other. And you put it in there and just hook up like you regularly would with the battery. You put that's for the positive, black is negative. Then go in and start your car. These things are amazing. Because I'm in maintenance, we do a lot of yard work. We have riding lawnmowers. This work's going to work out perfect because we're always going in, the battery's dead or weak. This gets it going. So if you need a combination here of the jump starter or an air compressor, and this does have the light. Oh, it does have a little handle, by the way. So this works out really good. If you need one to carry in your vehicle or around work or in your workshop, look into these.